Hi friends, I want to show you my new Belife cordless vacuum cleaner. It's a really nice unit. It's a very new one. You get, of course, your instructions and installation information. Okay, this is a helping sticker to drill the holes for the storage bracket. You get the basic accessories for a vacuum cleaner. Okay, show you. As you can see, you can move this farther if you want to small places, or like a brush accessory. This is the floor, one of the floor accessories, or for carpets, or for your living room furniture, or those kind of furnitures. This is the extension pole. This is the battery. Okay, this is the storage bracket.